We are still waiting, guys.
Yeah.
Only this one is.
This is chicken rice.
This one have come.
This is beef beef rice. Beef rice. And this is cabbage and what is that? Monkey rice. Of puff.
We are finally here to eat. We'll be treated by again. This is the inside. So many of our friends also here.
Yeah. That's all restaurant law.
The place look very classy and cozy and cozy. We are here.
He also. Everyone is here. She also. The money giver. She's going to give money and we're going to give.
Yeah.
We are here. Mikey, we are here.
Yeah, this is video.
We are looking the menu.
Yeah.
The menu is. You are taking pictures.
Cholo, two ladies who offer.
Don't know the name.
Thank you guys for coming to my channel to eat here.
Thank you for my channel. Yeah, she is the treater.
Yeah, treater.
We are the eater.
We are the eater. Yeah.
You guys be the subscriber.
I don't know what is good and bad.
Let's see what they have.
Fried rice dong minum mah.
Ito le karo no.
Honey lemon tea.
Ginger honey lemon.
And this one is what?
Mojito.
This is
Mojito with some lime.
lemon, cabbage,
Yeah. Mint and lime.
And one pipe.
One fiber.
this thing though we can make from home, yeah. Kole ha, someone else sample mo. You're talking to me?
Yes, bro.
Mikey,
Like kang sama makeup there over focus for me.
this is Engel, the one who is planning to treat us.
Planning is already, we are already here.
Yeah, already on the process. This is the Samba, the owners of the YouTube. Hello, Mr. Ichu.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Thì lên vì làm mai ra.
This tea is not worth.
Làm mai là được. Yeah. Just one cup of tea. No, even after baking, like once in a month or after 3-4 months, almost take them to bed. It tastes so special.
Now we have everything. Có một cái gì? Chúng ta lên đi put rằng con này ha. From this one is
Lemon juice. The tomato soup one.
this one pork.
Breaded bug.
Pig.
I don't know the name. This is the one who offer it. We're eating it. We're enjoying it. We are digging. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We can give that plastic flour now.
Still going on.
Yeah.
Almost done getting.
First time eating in restaurant.
Yeah, first time.
One plate almost broken.
Spoon is crooked.
Yeah. Basically, it's not meat. It's not meat.
Big one.
Happy birthday.
Surprise. Don't give cup, let go or go.
One of our class birthday. If she got your class, I know you make.
Sẽ kiểu lúc đây của lại đó. Một sao.
Ay, wala. Doon ka mo siya.
Can you see these guys?